So Shelly just realized that we set it up so that the heavy end, which isn't much difference if you look at the log, the heavy end, by how we placed all the slats across the log, the heavy end needs to go up. And it's not that much of a difference. So if you look here, the slope is going to only be a little bit of a slope. So we'll notch. I just swallowed a bug. That was not good. We'll notch up the top on our support log really well so it stays nice and firm up there. So we came in and we dug these in really well, and it's been a week or two, and with several rain, and
that is not moving.
That is solid. Holy crap.
I think it dug itself in too.
Man. So we're going to move these rocks, put the supports right on there, and we're going to have to get pretty creative because that bends a little bit with where we notch it, but that's okay. We did that on purpose so it had a little more support right there. Okay, so Shelly's just going to lift this log up and set it right up in there. That is a big mystery. We measured this distance by comparing the distance of this log to this stick. And if for whatever reason some numbnuts didn't notice that the sticks are different, that would be me, then we have a problem. Can you put that stick next to our support there? Yeah, it's actually bring it down because it's not at the end down there. It is the same distance. Same distance. In theory, this should just fit right across and set on the sleepers. Are you ready? We're going to set it up there, or we're just going to leave it and drag the other one down?
Oh. I think we better drag the other one down, or else we won't.
Oh, okay.
Let's go back up.
We'll figure out any lessons learned to see if there's an easier way of doing it. Up we go.